Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm using the LSP Painted Sky overlays for this image here. I've loaded the actions into the Actions palette. I'm currently on button mode. This is normal mode. Come up here, click button mode, and I'm going to select number 1, choose your sky overlay. Find the location where you saved your skies, make sure you've extracted them from the original zip file here. And I'm going to use a nice calm sky, I think, for this image, perhaps this one. Hit continue and decide where you want to place your sky. And then hit enter. A message box will pop up here saying use a white brush to gently paint the sky in, like this. I'm going to go with a really low opacity black brush, and I'm just going to slightly take this off the horizon here. So before and after. You can also choose this one here after you've added your sky, and make sure you're still on the sky layer, or select the sky layer again and then play this one. This action set up a lot of different layers all clipped into your sky layer here, so you can really kind of adapt and alter the sky to your image. I'm just going to pop the flow up a little bit, I think, and keep the opacity on around 100. So if your background blurs out, if you have kind of a shallow depth of field, you can use this one here, the Gaussian blur, to kind of blur your sky. You have rich colour, muse and calm, pinkify, creamify, colour wash. You can choose the colour here from anywhere in your image to kind of wash over the sky. A drastic contrast, deepen and darken, lift and brighten, tone down and boost. So you can decide which ones you want to paint on. You can kind of mix and match, like the opacity, do what you want really. I think I may go for a slightly richer colour along this area. I might mute the top here, perhaps pinkify the top a little bit as well. Don't think I need to wash any colour over. I mean, could do. Could choose a colour from the sand or the image to wash over, or you can choose your own colour. And paint that one in. I think I'm generally quite happy with that. So that's before and after. That's using the LSP Painted Sky overlays, available at www.lsp-actions.com.